Welcome to our tutorial on CUPP in kalilinux to create a custom word list. Let's get started. First, open your terminal. We will begin by cloning the repository to get the CPU tool. Enter the clone command and press enter. So here we are entering the clone command. You can also paste this command. After placing this command, you will just have to press enter. After pressing the enter command, once the cloning process is complete, I have already installed this cloning, so I will just press ls command to list the files and confirm the CUPP file is present. Next, navigate to the CUPP directory using cd space CUPP to keep your workspace tidy. Type clear to clear the terminal screen. Now list the files again with ls and you should see cupp.py. To start cupp, execute dot slash cupp.py space minus I and hit enter. Then the tool will get initialized and you can see the tool is initialized. In the CUPP interface, you will be prompted to enter various details, the victim's first name, surname, nickname, and date of birth. Fill these sections are required. The tool will then create a word list based on the information. Here I am providing my friend's details. You can use your victim's details. And these fields are not mandatory. If you want to skip, then press enter. Skip these steps. It will be easier to find the password if you fill up this all fields. Then it will generate the password based on this information. And now here it is asking, do you want to add some keywords about the victim? So you can add. For example, I am adding Duggal, and so Duggal is one of friend of Prem. If you wanna add special characters at the end of words, then you can press Y. After that, it is asking that do you want to add some random numbers at the end of words? So you can press Y. Here I am adding 6508 on based on social engineering. Press Y for hyperspeed print, and here boom, the passwords are getting initialized. Up to 4,000, 5,000, or more than 5,000 passwords will be created in the files. If you want to stop, then you can simply enter Control plus C and clear the terminal. After clearing the terminal, just close the terminal. Now just go to the home section. You can see home section is there. I will just press on it. I will just open it. Yeah, in that home CUPP is present. Just open it. In CUPP you can see here frame.txt has been created. We will open it with mousepad and you can see here so many passwords are created. More than 4,000 passwords are created here. You can use this password for brute force attack. Use John the Ripper tool to exploit the passwords with the brute force attack. This word list is based on the social engineering, so you can use it according with your victim's information. You can also download the roq.txt file, which has 1 billion passwords combinations. This was the whole phenomena, how it works. So stay tuned with us for more such hacking related content. Thank you.